How's it going, everybody? So I have a special here today. We're up in East Texas, where I'm originally from, actually at my alma mater at TJC. Got to represent the Apaches. So, I'm here to talk to some of the students and give a presentation. And while I was here, we're going to be just shooting a special thing for the college and just showing some of what they have here, what they're doing. And I just can't help it. That's me when I was here years ago. So they came in, did an article for the newspaper, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, let's check out the school, see what's going on. All right, everybody, this is TJC. Like I said, I can't say enough good things about this program. They've invested a tremendous amount into my life, and they're doing a lot of really good work for the people of this area here in East Texas, and they've been a huge resource for us as a company, serving multiple regions of Texas and being able to pull really good candidates. And every student we've gotten from this program have all dramatically excelled in their careers and doing what they do. So, if you're ever looking, if you're in East Texas area, or if you're looking to relocate and you want to join a trade school, I would more than recommend coming here to East Texas and seeing TJC, seeing what they have to offer, and just being a really solid foundation to start your career from. Appreciate it. Spend time with your families. Make sure you get the time in with the kids, with your wife, and just do good work, guys. Appreciate it.